Got it and I'm in a mode. That bitch, she say I'm rude. That bitch, I know that.
Yeah, been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no okay. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Trey. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get the swag, I up my rent. And I got me a stash, but I don't know when. I did in the pain, it did in the pain. Why they talking my name if I did in the 10? Asking them questions and feel like the fans. Live for the risk, I been on the edge. Came with a tree, she came with a leg. Nigga, you chatting, talking like Ted. We didn't care about what you said.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Wavy. I am back with another banger for y'all. So for today's video, I got a special one for you guys. We're going to be going to an arcade and going to grab a bite to eat with all my friends. It's currently Neo's birthday, so you know what I mean. It's time to celebrate. But without further ado, I'm not going to talk too much, but I'm just going to get into today's video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to drop a sub. Like if you enjoyed, let's get into it.
No way, dude!
Grab your chance.
What do YouTube?
Yo, where are we? Where are we?
We have Palladium with it.
Yo!
The Palladium. Hold on. Let me take over. What do YouTube? It's your boy Cash. I know y'all miss me. I just wanted to show y'all a little something. Today we're here with
Wavy Ryan.
Where you at?
What do you mean, what man? Where?
Where are we right now?
We're at Palladium.
I got a question for you.
What's the question?
Is your chain real?
Yeah.
Stop the cap. Like a diamond test?
Yeah.
His heart's beating. His heart's beating fast.
We really have Palladium with it, you know what I mean? Doing absolutely nothing. We're just standing around trying to decide what we're getting food.
So let's know where we're at, man. We're
We
here.
already did. You're taking pictures.
Oh
You
my
missed
bad,
out.
guys. I was at the Florida booth, I'm locked and all, but happy Saturday, everyone. Here with the whole gang. You know, we're gonna get this here Yeah, man, it's a nice little man.
15 seconds of fame. What do you got to say?
Yeah, right here, yo. I
That-
right here, you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
You guys have been asking for a light skin on the channel.
All right.
Finally got one.
Yeah.
And check out Texas Lone Star.
Is that nearby? Oh, yeah, it's just right there. Yeah, we could still.
Or if men's are we can go to Wild Wings.
Yeah, I saw Ryan said he was down for Wild Wings. Because he
Yo, hands are crying. We have reached this is.
I get to the bank roll. We go where you can't go. We go where you can't go. I get to the bank roll. I got shooters lay low. I mean, not too much, we know. Can't love you again home. I got shooters lay low. I get money cause I say so. Spinning bait. I mean, money spinning bait. Green on me like spinach bait. No, I'm steady.
No, honestly, good eats
Jesus Christ, sold out.
No, our life is actually like not a movie at all.
Nah, literally.
I don't watch Avatar.
Hands are crying.
Let's go to the damn car. Yeah, I see that.
Now this nigga scared.
Yo, so where we eating? Where we eating?
Milestone.
No way.
Yeah,
We can just go to your house and eat.
Okay, bet. What are we eating
Yeah,
up?
sir, Ryan said we can all go in his garage and eat.
Oh, I swear Warren will cook something up for us, no?
Or we can cook us some moving landmarks.
Stop the cap.
Okay, what's going on?
Hey. Key, man.
Bro, we're literally halfway there.
Yeah, it is kind of cool, but can we just go? Like,
Okay, let's just
go. Leave those bongs. We're leaving those bongs. You know what I mean? We don't have time to be waiting. We don't have time to be. We made it.
Yeah, taking we walk. These guys said they were gonna drive. Okay, we walk. Man, we got some cardio.
Literally.
Man. That's some cardio.
We went to like 9 different spots that were all closed. We're finally getting milestones. You know what I mean? I'll pick it up when we're inside.
Yeah, check out the bling 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 bling.
Man, I guarantee you go see Cuban stare. See this jacket.
I prefer it to regular. Who should I turn into?
Ben 10. I don't like that.
Ben 10?
People are using like the gi as a whole point. No, it's the one where like
Bruh.
it might be different.
That was so sweet. It's thirsty.
Rockstar. Rockstar. Rich nigga, I used to
they get pussed up. Blind luck, slowly tell my rust up. It fits to my heart, so I had bust up. Tuck down, then my niggas pop up.
Happy birthday, dear Keyshawn. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 19? Are you 20? Are you 21? Yo, you're 21.
It fits to my heart, so I had bust up. Tuck down, then my niggas pop up. Shoot your block up, nigga, fuck. When they 7, he gon' need a fucking doctor. Run up on me, you gon' meet the yappa. And the gun sounds make a nigga holla. And the gun rounds take your ass to Allah. Count it on the stopwatch.
Yo, big first. You guys are ass. You guys are ass.